This is lesson 1, linear equations and two variables. Pag sinabi natin two variables, meron tayong dalawang variables na involved, which is the variable x and the variable y. Ang objective natin dito is to write the equation in standard form. It's in the form of ax plus by equals c. And then, i-determine natin yung value ng a, value ng b, at value ng c. Ito ang standard form ng linear equation in two variables. We have ax plus by equals c. Yung a and b, yun yung tinatawag na coefficients. And then yung x and y are variables. Yung c, yun yung constant. Where a, b, and c are real numbers, and if a and b are not both equal to 0. Okay, standard form ang linear equation natin kapag yung may variable na x and y ay nasa left side ng equation. And then, yung constant is nasa right side. Nasa form siya ng ax plus by equals c. Okay, number 1 example, we have x plus y equals 15. So, kung napapansin niyo yung x and y ay nasa left side ng equation at constant is nasa right side. So, ibig sabihin, naka-standard form na ang equation natin na x plus y equals 15. And then, i-determine natin ang value ng a, b, and c. Okay. So, ang nakikita natin sa equation is x. Kapag wala tayong nakikitang coefficients, it is always 1. So, therefore, ang a natin is 1, b is 1, and c is 15. Okay, now let's have example number 2. X minus 3y equals negative 2. Kaya kung mapapansin niyo yung may variable na x and y ay nasa left side, and ang constant is nasa right side ng equation. So, ibig sabihin, naka-standard form na ang equation natin. Okay, and then next, i-determine natin kung ano yung value ng a, b, and c. Okay, so sa equation natin, x, the coefficient of x is 1. So, ang value ng a natin is 1. And then we have negative 3y, ang coefficient natin, or our b is negative 3. And then we have the constant negative 2. Therefore, c equals negative 2. Okay, number 3, 5x minus y equals 12, which is naka-standard form na. Okay, identify natin kung ano yung a, ano yung b, at saka yung c. So, we have 5x, the coefficient is 5. Therefore, our a is 5. Now, negative y, the coefficient is negative 1. Therefore, b is negative 1. And our constant is 12. Therefore, c is equal to 12. Okay, this time, ita-transform natin ang linear equation sa standard form into the form of ax plus by equals c. Okay, number 1. 2y equals 4 minus 7x. Okay, so hindi siya nakaayos sa standard form. Okay, susundan natin yung equation na ax plus by equals c. Dapat yung may mga variable na x and y ay nasa left side ng equation at ang constant ay nasa right side ng equation. Sa example natin, okay, ang 7x is nasa right side. So, kailangan natin siyang ilipat doon sa left side. Okay, kailangan natin tanggalin ang negative 7x sa right side. So, para matanggal ang negative 7x sa right side, mag-a-add tayo ng 7x sa right and left ng equation. Okay, our equation now is 2y plus 7x equals 4 minus 7x plus 7x. And then, simplify. 2y plus 7x equals 4. Negative 7x plus 7x is 0. So, that's why we have 2y plus 7x equals 4. Next, iaayos natin siya sa form ng ax plus by equals c. So, dapat mauna ang 7x bago ang 2y. So, therefore, we have 7x plus 2y equals 4. And then the next step is i-identify natin kung ano yung value ng A, B, at saka C. Okay, so in this equation, 7x plus 2y equals 4. Ang value ng A natin is 7, ang value ng B is 2, and ang value ng C is 4. Okay, next, number 2. X equals 5 minus 3y. Okay, so i-change natin siya or ita-transform natin into standard form into ax plus by equals c. Okay, so ang nasa left side ng equation natin is x lang. Okay, ang nasa right side is 5 minus 3y. So, ang gagawin natin para matransform sa standard form, kailangan yung may variable na x and y ay nasa may left side and ang constant ay nasa right side. So, ang gagawin natin para malipat yung negative 3y doon sa left side is mag-a-add tayo ng positive 3y sa left side at saka sa right side ng equation. Okay, so meron tayong equation na x plus 3y equals 5 minus 3y plus 3y. And then, isi-simplify natin. X plus 3y equals 5. Negative 3y plus 3y equals 0. Then, our new equation is x plus 3y equals 5. Okay, nasa form na siya ng ax plus by equals c. Then, next is, i-determine natin kung ano yung value ng A, B, and C. So, sa equation natin na x plus 3y equals 5, ang A natin is 1, ang B is 3, at ang C ay 5. Okay, next, number 3 example. We have 2x plus 6 equals 5y. Ita-transform natin sa standard form, which is sa form ng ax plus by equals c. Okay, so sa equation natin, nasa left side ang x at saka yung constant. And then, nasa right side ang y. So, dapat yung may variable na x at may variable na y nasa left side ng equation at ang constant ay nasa right ng equation. Okay, ang unang gagawin natin ay ililipat natin yung 5y doon sa left side ng equation. Okay, tatanggalin natin yung 5y sa may right side. Para matanggal ang 5y sa right side ng equation, ay magsusubtract tayo ng 5y sa left and right side ng equation. So, ang magiging equation natin ngayon is 2x minus 5y plus 6 equals 5y minus 5y. Okay, next, we simplify. 2x minus 5y plus 6 equals 5y minus 5y equals 0. Ang new equation ngayon is 2x minus 5y plus 6 equals 0. So, sa equation natin ngayon na 2x minus 5y plus 6, ang constant ay nasa left side. Okay, kailangan nating ilipat yung constant na 6 sa may right side ng equation. Para matanggal ang constant na 6 sa may left side at mailipat siya sa right side, ang gagawin natin is magsasubtract tayo ng 6 sa left and right ng equation. So, ang equation natin ngayon is 2x minus 5y plus 6 minus 6 equals 0 minus c. And then, isi-simplify na natin. 2x minus 5y, then 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 0 minus 6 is negative 6. So, ang magiging equation natin ngayon is 2x minus 5y equals negative 6. So, nasa form na siya ng standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. And to determine the value of a, b, and c, okay, our a is 2, and b is negative 5, and our c is negative 6. Okay, and that is how to write the linear equation in two variables into standard form, into the form of ax plus by equals c. And that is how to determine the value of a, b, and c of linear equation in two variables. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit my YouTube channel, Matish, and then click playlist or video, and then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to click the bell button para ma-update ka sa susunod na upload ko.